Hello everyone, I'm Eddie and I'm going to show you how to restore your OnePlus 6 or 6T if something would go wrong with Windows installation or if you would want to go back to stock. One small disclaimer, it will work only on these devices. For other devices you need to look for other instructions or tutorials. What you will need? Obviously you will need a phone and a cable. Firstly, go to XDA, that will be linked in the description, choose your device and go to proper thread. After that, expand Android 10 list and select latest one release. Now you need to download file from there. After download, extract it and you will have files like I'm showing here. Now make sure your device is powered off. Press both volume buttons and connect it to the PC. Your PC should recognize new device. Should reboot and start booting Android. Congratulations! Now you should have a fully working device.